Hello friends, in this lesson I will discuss about how many type of SEO. Mainly there are three type of SEO. Number 1, on-page SEO, number 2, off-page SEO, and also number 3, technical SEO. On-page SEO. On-page SEO is the process of optimizing the content of a website to rank in search engine. On-page SEO is directly in your control. You can tinker with keywords, title tag, and meta description and other factors we'll just discuss to build user-friendly content to that ultimately increase website visibility in search engines. On-page SEO is important because this shows search engine what your website and your page are about. Without proper on-page SEO optimization, it will be difficult to rank for your targeted keyword and generate traffic. Some on-page SEO techniques. 1. Primary keywords, secondary keywords, title, meta description, internal link, outbound link, image alt tag, content, and etc. Off-page SEO. Off-page SEO, on the other hand, is not fully your control. Off-page SEO is a type of search engine optimization that uses offsite optimization to improve the ranking of a website or page in relevant search result. So, off-page optimization happened outside of your site and include link building, local SEO, and many more. Some off-page techniques here: social media, guest posting or post, link building, online answer, PDF doc slide submission, video submission, YouTube or other platform, influencer marketing, Quora, Medium, Reddit, etc. And also last discuss about technical SEO. Technical SEO is back-end outside optimization. Technical SEO refers to the practices of making improvement to your website to help search engine crawl, render, and index your site more easily and efficiently, and can refer to any technical changes you make to your site to help it appear among the top result in Google search result. Over here, some technical SEO techniques. Website analysis, SSL. Website is mobile friendly. Page speed optimization, URL structure, fixed duplicate content uses, create and XML sitemap, Google Search Console, etc.